What happens when one of the biggest names in crypto steps onto Wall Street? This week, Gemini, the exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, finally went public, and the results were bigger than almost anyone expected. But this IPO wasn't about raising money. It tells us something deeper about the state of crypto adoption and maybe even about where Bitcoin is heading next. In this video, we'll look at what happened with Gemini's IPO, why Wall Street is so hungry for crypto exposure, and what it could mean for Bitcoin and the entire market going forward. Let's get started. First, the numbers. Gemini priced its IPO at $28 per share. That gives the company a valuation of about $3.3 billion. They raised $425 million from the offering, plus a $50 million private placement from Nasdaq itself. That's a serious vote of confidence. And when the stock opened on Nasdaq under the ticker GEMI, it popped straight to $37 a share. That's a 32% jump on day one. Investor demand was so strong that orders were reportedly 20 times greater than the share available. But there's the twist. Gemini isn't exactly printing profits. In fact, the company lost about $159 million in 2024, and in just the first half of 2025, it lost another $283 million. So why are investors pulling in? Why would Wall Street reward a money-losing exchange with a multi-billion-dollar valuation? Well, because this isn't just about Gemini. It's about the bigger story. Institutional money wants exposure to crypto infrastructure. Think about it. First, we had Bitcoin ETFs, now holding over 12% of all Bitcoin in circulation. Now, we are seeing exchanges like Gemini stepping into public market. This is another bridge between Wall Street and Web3. And then comes the boldest statement of all. The Winklevoss twin said, believe Bitcoin is on the path to $1 million within the next decade. It sounds extreme, but remember, these are the same people who took their Facebook settlement, bought Bitcoin at under $100, and became some of the earliest crypto billionaires. When they make a call, people listen. Here's the bigger question. Does Gemini IPO mark the start of a new wave of crypto companies going public? Will Coinbase and Gemini, now joined by other exchanges, custodian and blockchain infrastructure firms on Wall Street? And more importantly, does this demand show us that crypto's next bull run will be fueled not just by retail investors, but by institutions and traditional markets stacking exposure however they can? Because if the demand of a loss-making exchange stock is this strong, what happens when Bitcoin itself starts to rally again? This IPO might be the clearest signal yet that institutions aren't just doubling in crypto. They are betting big, and that's here to stay. So what do you think? Will Gemini IPO spark a new wave of adoption? Or is this just a hype riding on a bull cycle? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives every week. I'm Lamia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.